Hello YouTube, this is Joe Tech Clips, and today I'm showing you how to replace the Home Flex ribbon cable for iPod Touch 4th generation. First, you start off by taking off your screen, and you can look on another video. It's pretty simple. Just get a heat gun, or I use a hairdryer. It's pretty easy. You go around the sides, along the bottom right here, and you start from the bottom right here and lift it up. And then when you're taking it off, be careful for the Wi-Fi antenna, because it will get stuck to the screen. So just get like a knife and kind of press it down while you're taking it off. And yeah, so let's get started. So first, take that off, and then you will get this. Well, this is where it is right here. And then you take off some screws, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 8 screws you need to remove to fix that. So you guys could just fast forward this if you want. Okay, so the screws have been removed. Oh wait, never mind, one more. Oh wait, but once after you do the screws, you will just have to pop the board up, the board right here. Hold on, I'm having trouble with the screws. It's pretty difficult. Being stubborn. Wait one moment, please. Okay. There we go. And there. So. Okay. So once you do that, you lift up this board, this metal frame, and yeah. So you can start from the bottom right here. Just get under that, and be careful when taking this off. There's a ribbon right here. It goes under here. That's for the volumes. So try to not put pressure under it and go up, wiggle it a little bit, so it'll pop up easier, so it won't break. Otherwise you have to solder on the new volume, and it's just a big old mess. See that cable. And then you can put the iPod aside, and so now you have this metal mid frame. And then here is, see, I tried replacing my old one because there's a little black ball on the home button thing, and mine fell off, so I tried putting a piece of solder in there, and it works, but It just annoys me sometimes, so I'm just gonna replace the whole thing. So yeah, so to remove this, you just get your tweezers, whatever, and you just start going under it and trying to peel it off. Make sure you get all of the excess glue, whatever that is, shiny glue, whatever. Make sure you get it all off of the frame. So there's glue right there. Just scrape it off, whatever. And then after that, you push the cable in. You flip it around and you pull it through. And then you just continue taking the cable off. And there it is. So I'll just put that aside. Try to get rid of that excess glue. If you scratch it like me, just be careful not to touch this part. Or just not to scrape that off. So that's clean right there. Next, what you do is you get your new one, and there's little plastic covers on it, little plastic, and you'll peel it off and then stick it back the way it was. So we'll start with this side first. So you peel it off. Peel the backing off of it. Okay. And then you stick it through. Stick it through like that. And then you just place it. Align it with the holes of the frame. Sorry, this is kind of difficult. Okay, just press that on. Make sure it's lined up with the holes on the frame. So just kind of press it down. Okay, and then now it's time for this side. This side's kind of harder. So let's see. Remove the plastic. This part you want to make sure that the ribbon, this little ribbon connecting under, folds under that little ring, card plate right here. So it goes under and like it doesn't go excess. So you bend it back. You line it up. And that should be good. So it's all lined up. You can see the see-through. Yeah. You just want to press it not too hard, but gently. Just gently touch it, like press on it, so make sure it's on there very good. You don't want it falling off. And same thing as the other side. Just press it, not too hard though. And it should work now. It works perfect. Better than this junk. Blah. Just don't want to rip it. Ah, God. Alright, anything side. So, yeah, that's how you replace the home button flex key ribbon for the iPod Touch 4G. And to put it back together, you just do the same thing. You put this back in, and there's a little dents right here, so you slide it in and then put it on, and do all back the screws, and then you put you just put it back together, and I'm pretty sure you can figure the rest out. Just look at another video how to put it back together. And yeah, so this is Joe Tech Clips. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe and comment. Alright, later.